The words stocks and shares are often used interchangeably. However, this can be a little confusing. The thing is, the words do mean more or less the same thing. There is, however, a small difference. Stocks are simply a collection of multiple shares. Let's let that sink in. Stocks are a collection of multiple shares. Those shares can be from the same company or from different companies. For example, I own stocks in Amazon and Google. Or, I own a share of Google, meaning I own a single individual unit of Google. Now, if you owned many shares of Google, you could say, I own stocks in Google, therefore referencing having many shares. Or, I own shares of Google, therefore referencing again having many shares, and both would be correct. Now that it makes sense, I'm going to give you about 3 seconds to click away before I confuse you all over again. The word stock is technically referencing a stock traded on a stock exchange. Notice that it's a stock exchange and not a share exchange. But in 99% of conversations, this really shouldn't matter, so just go ahead and use the word stocks or shares however you wish. Unless, of course, you happen to live in India, where there's a law defining the two words. So good luck with that one. Thanks for watching Money Chomp. Don't forget to click subscribe.